Welcome to the Endless Listening Podcast. We're so glad to have you here. In today's episode, we'll take you through an exciting story called My Daily Routine. This story is perfect for beginners, especially those at the A1 level of English. It will help you learn useful vocabulary, practice listening, and understand simple sentences about daily life. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Every day, I follow the same routine. It helps me stay organized and have a good day. Let me tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. My alarm rings, and I get out of bed. First, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I comb my hair. Sometimes, I take a quick shower if I have more time. At 7:30 a.m., I go to the kitchen and make my breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter or jam, and I drink a cup of tea. On some days, I eat cereal with milk or have a boiled egg. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day because it gives me energy. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose clothes that are comfortable and match the weather. If it is cold, I wear a sweater and a jacket. If it is hot, I wear a t-shirt and shorts. At 8 a.m., I leave my house and go to work. I usually take the bus. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes. Sometimes, I listen to music or read a book while I wait. At work, I am busy from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. I work on projects and talk to my friends. I take a lunch break at 12 p.m. For lunch, I usually eat rice, vegetables, and chicken. After lunch, I feel full and ready to finish my day. At 5 p.m., I finish my work and go home. I feel a little tired, but I am happy to go back. When I get home, I relax for a while. Sometimes, I watch TV or listen to music. Other times, I read a book or check my phone. At 7 p.m., I have dinner with my family. We eat together and talk about our day. Dinner is usually rice, soup, and some vegetables. I enjoy spending time with my family. After dinner, I take a walk outside. I like to get fresh air and think about my day. Sometimes, I call my friends or play a game on my phone. At 9 p.m., I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then, I change into my pajamas. Before I sleep, I like to read a few pages of a book. At 10 p.m., I turn off the lights and go to sleep. I feel happy because I had a good day. The next day, I will follow my routine again. That is all for the story My Daily Routine today. Now I will ask you 3 questions to see if you understand the story. 1. What time does the person wake up every day? 2. How does the person go to work every day? 3. Who does the person have dinner with? Leave your answers in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for a free PDF of today's story. Make sure to download it to enhance your learning. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode with another exciting topic to help you learn and grow.